Relativity Space, a relatively new entrant to space sector with no prior experience of launching a rocket, claimed that 85% of Terran 1 is 3D printed. The world's first 3D printed rocket Terran 1 launched successfully on its third attempt on Wednesday, but failed to achieve orbit during second stage separation, AFP reported. While the rocket failed to reach orbit, Relativity Space, the aerospace company behind the launch, said that the launch is a huge win as rocket was able to successfully withstand maximum dynamic pressure conditions set for the structures. Today's launch proved Relativity's 3D printed rocket technologies that will enable our next vehicle, Terran R. We successfully made it through Max Q, the highest stress state on our printed structures. This is the biggest proof point for our novel additive manufacturing approach, Relativity Space wrote in a Twitter post. Terming the launch having many historic firsts, the space company said that rocket also progressed through main engine cutoff and stage separation. We will assess flight data and provide public updates over the coming days, the aerospace company, the post added. Relativity Space claimed that 85% of Terran 1 is 3D printed. Except moving parts such as rubber seals, computers, and electrical circuitry, all other parts including the nose cone, rocket body, internal propellant tanks, and the majority of its Aeon engines are 3D printed. The objective of the launch, as per Relativity's Chief Executive Officer, Tim Ellis, a former engineer at Blue Origin LLC, is to show that the 3D printed vehicle can endure Max Q. This condition happens during the first few minutes of flight when the rocket is exposed to the greatest forces and stresses.